Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Anderson's Algebra 1 lessons. Today we're going to be looking at how monomials and trinomials together. And I got 4 basic examples for us to help you through what you might be working with. So let's get right into it. Example 1, pretty simple. 7 times the quantity 7x plus 3. Now, whenever you're multiplying monomials and trinomials, it's always important to remember basic multiplication ideas. If you have something like this, you need to multiply using the distribution method. So I'm going to be distributing the 7 to each component inside the parentheses here. So that would be 7x is going to give you 21x, and 7 times 3 is 21. This is actually 7 times 7 is 49. That was a mistake. 49x is what you should have. So I'm glad we caught that early, because you never know, we might need some medicine to get us through. So, example 2. This one's a little more involved. 5k through. Now, since here we're dealing with the variable will not multiply with the other one, so to speak, but the exponents will add. So the first term 5, but k times k, you still have the k, but instead of 3 and 2k's, you'll have 3 plus 2k's, which is just 5. So you'll have 5k's there. So then again, if you do that again, you have 5k cubed times k. Well, that'll be 5k, and there's a little 1 there, so that would be 3. And then 5k cubed minus cubed. And that's your answer, straight up. Now, example 3 is dealing with a binomial. And there's really 2 methods to do this. You could do the FOIL method, which I'm going to use. First out in slash acronym to multiply the terms in your binomials are 7k times 6. That would be 42k squared. 7k times negative 5k is negative 35k. Man, that's just ugly. Look at that squared. I'm going to rewrite that. That's just ugly. 42k squared. Way better. 7k times negative 5 is negative 35k. And then the I stands for inside, so multiply the inside term. So 8 times 6k is 48. 40 here. 48k. And then 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. Now we're not done here because we need to combine like terms. So your final answer is going to be 42k squared. And 48 take away 35 is 13. So that's 13k for the middle minus 40. So this answer, yay, we did it. In example 4, this is the big one. You have a binomial trinomial, and that's going to be needing to do some extra stuff. So you're going to basically take this term and multiply it by all of that. So n times 4 minus 5n plus 5, and 3 times all of that. So plus 3 times 4n squared minus 5n plus 5. So it's the distribution method for all of that, like we learned up in example 2. And we just distribute all of that through, and we combine like terms at the end. So n times 4n squared is 4n cubed. N times negative 5n is negative 5n squared. And n times 5 is 5n. Then we have 3 times 4n squared, which is 12n squared, and 3 times negative 5n is negative 15n, and 3 times 5 is 15. So the final product would be to add all of these together. Now we can only add the like terms. There is no cube term, so that is what we put in the beginning, 4n cubed. The 5n squared and the 12n squared combine together to give you 7n squared. And 5n take away 15n is negative 10n. And we're left with just 15 at the end. And there you go. That is your answer. So again, I hope you learned a little bit of something about multiplying monomials and trinomials together. Again, the big idea is just to remember your basic multiplication, and it'll get you through. Thanks again. Have a great day.